Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a quick breakfast omelet that'll be ready in minutes, and I'm sure you'll love it. So let's get started. We just slice up some of this Vidalia onion or yellow onion, whatever you have. It's like one slice, that'll be enough. And we'll just chop him up. I'll put them in a bowl. And there you go. Now we have to slice up this red pepper. We're only going to use maybe half of this, so put that aside. Maybe a quarter of it. Pretty big pepper. Put that in a bowl. There you have it. Red pepper, green pepper, and some onions. Nothing to it. Now we just cut up a little bit of Spam here. Or you can use ham. You can use lunch meat. You can use whatever you want. That should be enough. Put that in a bowl. Okay. Now all we gotta do is beat up 3 eggs. One. Add a pinch of salt in there. Tiny bit of garlic and pepper. Set your burner to medium-low. Add some oil to the pan. And we just add our onions to the pan. Our peppers. Green peppers. Red peppers. And our ham. Just stir that around a little. Let that start cooking. Just give them a little stir. Cook them down just a little bit. Now we're going to add our egg. Save a little bit of the egg for something special. So we're going to try a little something special here. See this little egg ring? We're going to coat that with a little bit of oil. And we're going to put it right in the middle. Just like that. And we're going to add the rest of our egg in the middle of that. And what don't fit, we'll put over here. Just like that. Now we're going to crack 4 more eggs. We'll put one there. One here. One here. And move that one over a little bit. And one here. Just like that. Now cover it up and let it cook. Alright, let's give it a check and see if we can get this thing out of here, the ring. Alright, now we're going to add a little bit of cheese. Okay, add some baby spinach leaves. And we'll just cover it and let that melt. Alright, let's give it a check, see if the cheese melted. Yep, it melted. I'm going to put a little bit of pepper on top. And there you have it. A quick breakfast omelet, ready in minutes. And I knew you were going to love it. Now all we have to do is plate that up. Okay, let's see if we can get this out of there. And there you go. That looks good. Really good. Wow, there you have it there, folks. A quick breakfast omelet, ready in minutes. See, that only took about 10 minutes. And it's really tasty looking. I bet you that's good. With all that ham, onion, cheese, all that good stuff. Peppers, green peppers, red peppers. Yeah, that looks really good. Wonder if we can cut it. Let's see. Yep. Good. There you go. Let's get a little piece of that out of there if we can. There you have it there, folks. A beautiful omelet. Quick breakfast omelet right there. With a sunny side up egg in the middle. Yep. Alright. Yeah, I gotta have a little taste. Oh yeah. Is that good? Really good. I wish you could taste that. I gotta get that out of there to show you just how soft the yolk still is. It's beautiful. And there you have it. Another good one. Tasty too. You know what I forgot? I forgot my toast. You need toast with all those eggs. And there you go. You can dip it. Yep. Really good. Can't beat it. Yeah, I was just wondering. The kitchen isn't really that bad. I could clean up in 5 minutes. And then I can get something cold to drink. That sounds good.